So this trend was started by Stack Money Quincy, and as you can see on his business page, you can see the look I'm trying to go for. Shout outs to him. If you don't feel like making these, you can definitely purchase them from him. So the first step in making these pants are you're going to cut off the bottom seam of the pants. You guys can see I'm doing a little incision with my scissors, and then I'm just going to go ahead and rip the whole entire bottom off. Now that I'm finished cutting off the entire bottom of the pants, I'm going to go to the back side of the pants and cut a small square at the bottom of them. This is so that when you're walking, you do not trip over. So I ripped up one side of the pants off camera, and now I'm going to do the other side on camera. I'm going to take a piece of cardboard and put it right up under the pants so that when I rip it won't go through. I'm going to take a box cutter and cut it, but in the video you will see me switch to a razor because the razor was actually sharper than the box cutter and it made it easier to distress the pants. After I finish putting cuts in the top of the pants, I go down to the bottom of the leg part and start putting cuts in those as well. And as you guys will see, after I'm finished with all of this to make the pants really distressed, I throw them in the washing machine and dryer. So once I'm finished cutting the whole front part of the jeans, I'm going to move on to the back, and I am going to start cutting 2 big sections of the back. I do it the same way I did the bottoms, and I cut an incision and I pull it. To make sure that each section is the same size, I take the piece of fabric that I cut out from the opposite side and use it to guide how big I want this side to be. Now that I'm finished cutting out the big sections of the pants, I'm going to take a small piece of cardboard and place them inside the back pockets of the pants. I'm then going to take my razor and start making little cuts in the back of the pants. for the bottom of the pants. I already did one side, so basically I'm going to take a piece of leftover fabric and I'm going to glue it. I'm going to take smaller pieces of fabric and put it right over the line that shows where I glued it. I'm going to use this adhesive glue that I got from Joann's. Make sure that whatever glue that you use, it is really strong, and I'm going to apply it with the end of my razor. Once I attach the big piece of fabric to the bottom of the pants leg, I'm going to take those little pieces of fabric and glue them right on the top of those. So my razor actually broke on me, so I'm going to take my handy dandy pocket knife and I'm going to put 3 or 5 cuts through that big piece of fabric that I attached to the bottom of my jeans. So in the beginning of the video, I cut off the bottom of the pants. So I'm going to take those same bottom of the pants and make them into a belt. I'm going to cut them to where it is only one big line and not a loop. And I'm going to take a needle and thread and I'm going to hand sew them together. are the finished product of the pants. They fit really well. I like how they snug to my body. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're not already subscribed to me, I hope you subscribe to me now. See you guys in the next video.